missed payments on a prior mortgage that's showing up on a credit report. Can you go in a little bit of detail when it comes to that? And if you do pull someone's credit report and you see a missed payment or two or three or what have you,
Mhm.
is there any hope for them to get approved?
Yes, is that's a yes. So okay, so it depends upon a couple of different factors. Number one, how recent was this? The past 6 months, the past 12 months, right? Recency is extremely important, right? Number two, what kind of loan am I doing? And how is the rest of the credit profile? Lates on mortgages, any other kind of loan, any kind of active debt, a late payment could really kick you about 100 points or more sometimes,
Mhm.
right? So it
Mhm.
can throw you completely out. Right now, in the event you have a strong credit profile, let's use an example here. You've got a strong credit profile. Basically, everything else you paid on time has been paid on time for a very, very long time, right? And you have a super high credit score, but you had one late a few months ago, and it just rocked you, right? That may have cost you 100 points, possibly. May have cost you less, right? But on the lending side, when it comes to the mortgage, let's say you had a mortgage, like you said, and you paid it late. It depends on what kind of loan that I'm doing right now for you. For example, if I'm doing an FHA mortgage again for you, and the rest of your credit profile is strong, but you had that late payment, I might get an automated approval. If the rest of the file is strong, it may give me an AWS approval and be okay. Okay. Now, in the event I don't, I think for FHA you can have I think one late in the past 12 months, but none in the past 6 months. Now for VA, it's the same. They want to see a clean 12-month payment history. Uh, if you have an excuse as to why it happened, that could help you, right? But let me tell you this: financial irresponsibility is not an excuse. I forgot is not an excuse. I got
Mhm.
busy is not an excuse. Not gonna take it, right? Somebody may be in the hospital. Somebody better got shot. Something better happen that was out of your control. It won't happen again.
Yeah.
That's an excuse. But you
Mhm.
forgot, or you didn't have the money because things were tight. That's a bad answer anyway.